Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful ideas and style designs looks for girls and women. Beautiful and latest ideas, handbags, pattern and happy crocheting. Beautiful and latest girls and women's style and design, like different and create a bag with German strips for a classy and trendy design. Experiment with different colors combination and stress. Remember to choose yarn texture and color that match the style you want to achieve, and do not hesitate to match and to mix and match different ideas to create a unique crochet handbags that reflects your personality and taste. Happy crocheting and long French elements into your bag. Designs for a woman free strap, free stripped look and color blocking lining. Floral handbags crochet with the intricate floral pattern can add a touch of different elegance and beautiful ideas and style. Humble gradient bag experiment with different shadows of a single color to create an umbrella effect on your handbags. This adds a subtle and stylish touch. Here are some more crochet handbags ideas to spark your creativity. Remember, you can personalize this design with your choice of color, yarn, and embellishment to make them uniquely yours. There are plenty of crochet patterns available online and in books to help you get started with this design. And here are some more crochet handbags ideas relate to crochet style. And this sludgy relaxed style is perfect for everyday use. Use a soft drapey yarn to achieve the hobo bag style. Beautiful looks.